Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Uber driver and you've been running into that frustrating unable to authenticate device error in 2025, don't stress. This video will walk you through the fastest and safest way to fix it so you can get back on the road and start driving again without any delays. Let's jump straight into the solution. What you want to do is completely close your Uber driver app, not just swiping it away from recent apps. Make sure it's fully shut down so it stops running in the background. This ensures you're starting with a clean slate before making any changes. Next, go into your phone settings. If you're using an iPhone, use the search bar at the top and type in iPhone storage. Once you tap on that option, you'll see a full list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list or sort them by name until you find the Uber driver app. When you tap on the app, you'll see an option called Offload App. This is the key step. Offloading removes the app's system files but keeps all your important data intact. Your login, your preferences, your history, nothing gets erased. It simply refreshes the app and clears out any corrupted or outdated files that might be causing the authentication error. Go ahead and tap Offload App, and once it finishes, tap Reinstall App. Give your phone a moment to download and reinstall everything. When it's done, open the Uber driver app again and check if the error is gone. In most cases, this alone solves the issue. Don't worry. At this point, the simplest fix is to restart your phone. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, a full reboot clears any stuck processes or lingering system glitches that might be interfering with Uber's security check. After restarting, open the app once more and you should finally be good to go. And that's all there is to it. A quick app refresh, a reinstall, and a reboot are usually all you need to fix the unable to authenticate device message. It's easy, it's safe, and it gets you back online without having to contact support or reinstall everything from scratch. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more driver tips, and drop a comment if you want help with any other Uber app issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Uber using.